Hello students, welcome back to English class. I hope you all are happy and well. Dear students, in the previous video, we recited a poem that is Daffodils, written by William Wordsworth. Today, we will discuss the exercise of the poem. But before that, let's recapitulate the summary. The poem Daffodils has been written by William Wordsworth. In the poem, the poet tells about his memory in which he saw the daffodils. The poet witnessed the memory of the daffodils when he was sitting idly. He saw the flowers smiling and dancing. This view gave him joy and a cheerful company of flowers. He says that he has saved some of these memories in his mind, so that he can achieve those pleasures again by remembering them. So students, let's start with the exercise. Open page number 11 of your book. First of all, we will do short answer questions. The first question is, what have you come to know about the poet in the first two lines? So the answer will be, the poet was lonely and was wandering aimlessly in the countryside. The second question is, describe in brief the daffodils as seen through the poet's eyes. The answer will be, poet saw daffodils as shining in the sun so brightly that they outsparkled the bay water, which was also shining in the sun that day. The third question is, what similarity does the poet draw between the waves and the daffodils? So, the answer for this question will be, the similarity that poet saw between waves and daffodils was that the both waves and daffodils were dancing like human beings, expressing their joy and energy. Now, coming to question number 2, which is long answer questions. So, the first question in this is, in the second stanza, what are the daffodils compared to? Explain the comparison. So, the answer for this question will be, in the second stanza, the daffodils are compared to the countless twinkling stars in the Milky Way. As the infinite number of stars shine in the Milky Way, so a multitude of golden daffodils grew along the edge of the lake. The second question is, how does the poet's experience of daffodils help him when he is at home? The answer for this question will be, when the poet is at home and lies on his couch in a pensive mood, the memory of the scene of dancing daffodils flashes on his mind. He feels he is again in the company of happy daffodils. It fills his heart with joy and pleasure. The next question is, what do you understand by a poet could not be gay in such a jocund company? So students, the answer is, the jocund company means happy and lively. It means that the poet felt that he could not help himself but to be cheerful, merry, and high-spirited in the presence of 10,000 daffodils that were dancing in the breeze before him. So students, this is all for today. In our next video, we will discuss the other questions. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe.